Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete Google One account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google One application and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, in the bottom we have 4 sections. There is the home section, storage, benefits, and lastly support. So right here in the homepage, we have storage, backup, cleanup, and dark web reports. And if you scroll down right here, you're going to find Google One memberships. Here in the top right corner, if you click here, you can manage your Google accounts. If you want to delete any of your Google One accounts, you need to delete all of your Google accounts. So go ahead and click on manage your Google accounts, for example. And then this page will be load. Then once you're here, go to the top right corner and you're going to find this little search icon. Click on it and then from here you can search for any topic. I'm going to search for delete your Google account. Click right here and then it will take you to this page. Use your passkey to confirm it's really you. Your device will ask you for your fingerprints, face or screen lock. Go ahead and click on continue. And then you can use your fingerprint. Or you can click on try another way. And you can choose how you want to sign in. Use your passkey, your password, or get help. So just follow the steps and then you will be able to delete your Google account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.